Okay, today we be starting the masterclass lesson 27. We talk about health and wellness, how to add premium into your workout to maximize your strength. Now, this is part of the design and how you create your landing page and so forth, your landing page, sales page, and everything. So now I talk about using a product to demonstrate to you that we create a landing page on the health product. So here basically you can see we talk about this product is basically to discover the 7 scientifically proven prima movement you need to build your strength. And obviously it given a practical example workout to engage each premier movement. Why you should never use 100% of your muscle strength. Okay, your muscle strength for lifting. And that's why you have to use your premium strength. Okay, basically you see the landing page is very similar than what I have shown you. As I say, everything you do, you need some planning so that you can do the same and you save a lot of time basically, because when you do planning, it's easy to copy and paste over our system. Now you see the notice the first part is talking about giving away the free report to discover 7 scientifically proven premium movement that you need to add into your workout and to the maximum strength. Now this one you can do 2 methods. One, you of course you prepare your text and you just paste over the title and things like that. The other way around is I save time because I created this so-called the free report is I save it into a PNG file so that it become an image. Right. The same thing, of course this one is straightforward. It's an ebook that we're giving away, and why we give away is basically the part of an attraction that we are working on. The next thing you see is on the column. This is one section, right? So that this column this section have 2 columns. We will look at it. Column 1 is basically the ebook, the image of the ebook. The column 2, right, second column on your right, you can see that this part here, you can see that this part here is all under the image. But obviously, as I said, there are 2 ways to do things. One, you go into text and then you type all the message accordingly. The other way, I prepare my text ready as an image under the PNG file. So this is how we can do. Okay, this part of the section is talking about the button. Right? This is a button. And I think I have teach you all about the pop-up where you set, how you set your pop-up inside the whole thing. And looking at it, you can see that this pop-up already preset, right? Then we have the link. I did show you how the link will come into here when we set up a template of the pop-up. So let's test it out. Okay, let's test it out whether it's right. So when you go here, you click this button here, right? You go a pop-up and you notice I'm using the same format. I did not change because I can use another way of doing it, but I don't want to waste time because since I have liked this format, and then I use the same format over my all the health product in one second, unless you're talking about another product which is not relating to health, then you do another one. And you notice that this part you can see this is a book that slide in just now, and then we connected to you there is a text, and then this is a functional strain. Actually this is a title, heading, and then this is again I say that this little image for you to fill up the names and everything. Now this image comes from Pure Leverage. Alright, I don't create this image, basically it comes from Pure Leverage. That's why we have the Pure Leverage, the autoresponder, how you work and things like that. Okay, obviously you will see part of this part I already created quite standard. Have you not noticed it? But today I want to show you what I had done. Actually, as I say, when we do everything, we do planning first. Now, of course, home page, we click, well, this will be the home page. You go into your home page. And the disclaimer, you see, I already preset all my 10 set of my, what do you call that, landing page already have a standard. So this is quite standard. All these are standard, right? You only copy and paste one over another, one over another. Don't have to spend so much. Once you created one, you're able to create even 10, 20. It's easy because this is a standard thing. Now maybe you all don't understand this part. Let me show you today. I will show you disclaimer. How they look like. When somebody click this button, you show your disclaimer part. You see, disclaimer come out, right? And then they say, oh, you see, watch out this cookie and make sure it's the best experience. Then all these are the pre-written, all pre-written that you don't have to think about it so much. You know, it's all pre-written. Right, let me go back again to see, and then you notice it. Then they have a policy, the same thing. You click here, it will show you the policy page, all right? Privacy policy, blah blah blah, and all this sort of thing. These are all standard because when you have created all this sort of thing, all you need to do is to keep the file into one folder. Right, so this is how we can work on. And you'll notice the last one is the term and condition. You know, basically a lot of people may say, oh, I signed up but I didn't, you know, basically all these sort of things. So we talk to them. Everybody individual is different, not the same. Let me show you also this term, right? The term and condition, and then you have preset all these sort of things, okay? So it's already preset. It's not I have been, well, if I keep on doing everyone different the preset. So this one normally what I do, actually I keep it in the folder, term and condition, right? Every term and condition or disclaimer, it will be the same. So I may change a little bit things like that. So this part of this is the home page. This is where people go. You go to your main page already, right? I don't know whether I connected it. Maybe I can connect and show it to you. This is basically the home page, right? See, this is the home page because we are talking about the page of a landing page. We did not want to mislead somebody else. This one I didn't put it into a main page. If I put it into a main page, obviously there's one page, and then I got to specify the number of product into my main page. Now the idea of this is basically we create the landing page is basically to capture our main objective is to invite visitor. That's where the attraction is talking about. I'm giving you a free ebook. So if you are interested, you click and fill up your name and address. So that my first objective has been achieved. If you are doing like network marketing or other multi-level thing, you can redirect them to the same thing. But before you can redirect, as I say, you capture them first, your name. Otherwise, you'll be losing a lot of address. Okay. We have come to the end of Masterclass Lesson 27, Creating a Landing Page for Functional Strength of Health Product. Hope you have fun and enjoy learning. The next lesson we talk about the integration, download page, and as we have promised to our visitor. And give a thumbs up. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. Ring for the next lesson notification. The next lesson we will talk about the integration from the autoresponder to the download page that we used to already prepare the free reports and ebook. Thank you.